as you begin developing your vision for your career, guiding you towards a successful career in tech to improve in those areas. What successful projects have I worked on? Where do I lack knowledge or experience? Developing a strategic plan for your career is essential. Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Downs, a professor with extensive knowledge in technology and education. I'm here to help you on this journey. Welcome to SWOT Planning for Career Success, guiding you towards a successful career in tech. Let's dive in. Let's get ready to look at some impactful data. 87% of employers believe that candidates with digital skills are more likely to be hired. This shows the incredible desire to have technology proficiency in the job market. And don't forget that 50% of employees by 2025 will need to be upskilled. This is due to technological advancements and continues to underscore the demand for career planning in the area of technology. 70% of all professionals who use strategic planning tools like SWOT analysis feel more confident and prepared in their career decisions. This highlights the importance of SWOT in career planning and analysis. This data helps to continue to understand the demand for upskilling your own personal digital skills and career development skills. All of this data helps support the need for you to continuously develop and refine your digital skills. This powerful tool can help you map out your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats by setting specific goals to improve in those areas. We're going to actively seek areas of growth. This can be with new technologies and industry trends, and help position you to help capitalize on your learning about them. And you're going to learn how to anticipate threats and help develop strategies to mitigate them. And by regularly updating your SWOT analysis, you're going to be able to stay proactive, adapt to changes, and continuously align your career path with your personal and professional goals. Now let's do a real demonstration of how to do a SWOT analysis. We're going to make a table with 4 quadrants: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We're going to fill out these quadrants based on our own self-assessment, utilizing questions. And before we do this, don't forget to visit digitalfutures.com for more resources, coaching on not only strategic career planning, but also acquiring the skills themselves. Now let's dive into some of these questions to help guide our career development and provide some examples. This example is based on an IT professional or programmer and is just a demonstration to help you begin your own process. In terms of strengths, what programming languages am I strong in? Which ones do I know? What successful projects have I worked on? Now let's think about a question for our weaknesses. Where do I lack knowledge or experience? How can I improve my technical skills? Opportunities. Are there new technologies I should learn? What types of networking opportunities should I pursue? Threats. What are the current market trends in IT? Are there new tools that could make my skill set obsolete? While we're going through a SWOT analysis, it's also important to consider what soft skills could be considered as part of your self-evaluation within a SWOT analysis. Just as with soft skills, digital skills are also something specific to consider listing within a SWOT analysis. Let's start with the soft skills. A SWOT analysis could help you identify skills like adaptability, problem solving, and communication. By identifying adaptability as a strength, you can leverage your ability to quickly apply and learn new technology. This can help make you much more versatile. If problem solving is a weakness, you can set specific goals to help you improve your critical thinking and help you find innovative solutions. Opportunities might include new training programs to help you learn new skills, or projects that help enhance your problem solving ability. Recognizing your communication skills as a threat, you may need to learn how to work on conveying your ideas more effectively and work on collaborating well with others. This might include you requesting feedback on your collaboration with others and reviewing your interpersonal skills. By addressing these areas in your SWOT analysis, you can strategically enhance your soft skills and better prepare for career advancement. Just as for soft skills, you can do the same review with digital skills. For example, in web development, if your strengths are in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, that strength is going to position you well for success in that career area. But if you recognize digital marketing as a weakness of yours, you may realize that there's a gap in your ability to do search engine optimization, targeted advertising, SEM. And the opposite, if you recognize digital marketing as a weakness, you may want to seek further training in social media, digital marketing to help you bridge those gaps. Opportunities may include emerging trends or technologies in project management software, such as Jira, Trello, Asana, which can help leverage your efficiency and your collaboration skills. Threats could include staying up to date with the newest technologies and trends, or facing competition from peers who have more advanced digital skills. By addressing each area of your SWOT analysis, you can create a strategic plan to improve your digital efficiency and your ability to adapt to the constantly changing technology landscape. At Digital Futures Education, we're committed to supporting your journey into the digital workforce. Visit digitalfutureseducation.com for resources, courses, coaching, and opportunity to help connect. To make your career planning more effective, it's important to set SMART goals. These are smart, measurable, achievable, realistic, time-based goals. Here's an example of applying a SMART goal to your career. Gain proficiency in data analysis by finishing an online certification course within 6 months and applying these skills in a real-world project. The benefits of using a SWOT analysis in conjunction with a SMART goal is that it helps you make informed decisions around the development of your SMART goal by providing your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Help you align your goals in a way that they're going to be actionable and they can be aligned with market demands. It helps provide a clear framework for your personal and professional growth. Think about how you can use the SWOT framework in conjunction with a SMART goal to help you continuously improve. Regularly update your analysis of your SWOT analysis and try to develop new SMART goals. This will help keep you adaptable and open to training for new trends that are going to come along all the time. Now let's explore career pathways and how a SWOT analysis can help support the development of a career pathway. How can the insights from a SWOT analysis help guide your decision around selecting a career? If you identify a strength in problem solving and have the opportunity in data science, that might be a career pathway for you. So let me outline a few steps for you. First, complete your SWOT analysis. Write down the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, just as we've discussed. Now set a SMART goal. Use the insights you've gained from your analysis and set an achievable goal. Then you want to take action, enroll in a course, gain a certification, or even build a portfolio. Be sure to also regularly review and reevaluate your progress. That will help you stay on track. Remember, your SWOT analysis is a living document. It's going to help you stay on track, set new goals as you're needed, and help you review what you know and don't know about your next step. So what are you waiting for? Start your SWOT analysis and take control of your career through using this powerful planning tool. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and resources, and check out our website for in-depth courses and tutorials. Whether you're a student, a career changer, or aiming to upskill, there are numerous resources available. Online courses, workshops, webinars, professional networking opportunities, and flexible learning opportunities, such as online courses that meet when you need them to meet. Engaging in professional networking opportunities and projects can help you tremendously at gaining industry insights and hands-on experience. You can always find a way to get started at digitalfutureseducation.com. As industries evolve in the digital age, developing a strategic plan for your career is essential. Embracing this digital transformation is also essential. You need to do your own self-evaluation and analysis to help you unlock your complete career potential. There are many ways to connect and develop your skills utilizing technology. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.